Do you want to come ride our trails? Check out the Let's Ride page on our website. We've got monthly paid memberships with loads of perks, 1-day rides, or you can book a 2-day ride if you'd like. We've got training sessions, baseline group training, baseline private training. We've got intermediate group training sessions, private intermediate training sessions. You can book a training camp with 2 days. You can camp out at a spot and ride, or you can bring all your mates and sleep over in the farmhouse. Check out the booking page on the website or email us at sales@bronx.co.za.
What is the time? It is now 20 to 8 and we're already like close to 30 degrees. It's going to be a hot day.
Yeah, okay. Lead the way, sir. Much better.
Ricketts going right around it, not really over. Looking much better on the KDX today when it's running the way it should. Like, I mean, he cruised up there really well. Shinoda.
Yeah.
How about now?
Nope.
Still not ready.
This is always stupid when you don't have momentum.
Yeah, boy.
I should have done in the first place. Let's go in the shade.
Maak het fucking oop daar man, ek het soos out of control. Maar as jy agterwiel oor daai gap is jy good.
Hierdie klippe hier wat ons fucking
Erg dude. Jy dink jy het 'n line-up dan jy fuck all. Dude, ek swear hy het fucking tap af soos net wanneer jy nie moet nie.
Dude, hierdie bike flip baie maklik.
So it's go. Oh, okay, cool. Okay, I get it. Yeah. Hierdie fucking's droog nou, dude. Ek het daar so erg gespin nou net. Fucking droog. Ja. I always give it a little tickle and then go.
The breather hose off.
Huh?
The breather hose off.
Cock, man. Oh. Oh well. Put that bad boy back. There we go. Always good to test your shit right on the edge. Oh, bad. See if Rickett needs medical aid today or not. No need, because he's got the speed.
Alright, last hill climb for the day. Zane's already most of the way up. We're not going to do the last section of our technical loop or the red loop because it's quite gnarly with a lot of jagged rocks and I don't have any casing protection and these casings are quite rare, so I think once I have some better protection on the bike, then we'll go a bit more crazy with the technical riding. But yeah, let's struggle up